Hello students, in the previous session we had learnt about synthetic fibers and the structure of synthetic fiber, and we correlated with a natural fiber like cellulose. Correlated a structure of a synthetic fiber with that of a natural fiber like cellulose. Today we are going to learn about types of synthetic fibers. So types of synthetic fibers, you will be learning only 4 types. Rather, there are many types of synthetic fibers. You will be learning 4 types of synthetic fibers, that is rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So you are going to learn these 4 types of synthetic fibers in this academic year. Let me take up the first one, that is rayon. Before exactly going to the topic rayon, you know that for years the fiber silk, the invention of silk fiber was kept as a secret by China, because China is the country which first invented or prepared silk fiber from silkworm. So it was so fascinating, so very rich, and it is lustrous, shiny. So it attracted everybody. It was very, very costly though. So after almost after a century or so, other countries like India also started growing mulberry leaves and rearing worms, that is silkworms, on mulberry leaves and getting good quality of silk fiber. Rather, China has the best one, but still we have also started manufacturing or producing these silk fibers from silkworms. Now this is still very costly in our country also, isn't it? It's very costly, and not every person can bear to buy a costly cloth like silk, a pure silk. As a good alternative for this, synthetic rayon has been produced, that is using chemicals. Almost by the end of 19th century, scientists worked on this and were successful in preparing a material which is similar to that of silk. And this is called as rayon. Rayon therefore is called as artificial silk. Rayon is called as an artificial silk because it has a luster and property similar to that of silk, and it's quite cheaper because it is prepared using chemicals. Now this is very interesting, isn't it? Rayon is made up of chemicals rather, like cellulose, sodium hydroxide, which is nothing but a base. Should I write the formula? I think you know about sodium hydroxide formula, but still I will write. Sodium hydroxide, carbon disulfide, and sulfuric acid. So these are the chemicals used to prepare a silk-like fiber called rayon, which is cheaper and everybody can afford it, sulfuric acid. But then this one of the chemical constituent is obtained from a natural source, that is from wood pulp. So wood pulp is obtained from where? From trees. So cellulose is obtained from wood pulp. Therefore, rayon cannot be completely called as a synthetic fiber. Therefore, rayon is called as a semi-synthetic fiber. So rayon is called as a semi-synthetic fiber because we get cellulose from a natural source, that is wood pulp. Semi-synthetic fiber. Okay. Rather, it is one of the component, that is cellulose, we get it from wood pulp. Therefore, it is called as semi-synthetic, neither completely natural, neither completely chemicals. The chemicals used for making rayon, you need not learn it, or you need not by heart it. Okay, it's just to make you understand that they are made up of chemicals, and one of the chemical is from the nature. To explain that, I just wrote all the chemicals which are used to prepare rayon. So now you know that rayon has similar luster like that of silk, and it's cheaper because we use chemicals to prepare it, and therefore it is called as artificial silk. The question on this would be, why rayon is called as an artificial silk? So for that, the answer is because it has luster and property similar to that of silk. Another question would be, why rayon is called as, or which is called as semi-synthetic fiber? So rayon is called as semi-synthetic fiber, and why? Why is it called as semi-synthetic fiber? Because one of the chemical needed to prepare rayon is obtained from a natural source, that is wood pulp. So this is what you need to know about rayon. Now, little more you need to know about rayon is that where are they used? The uses of the semi-synthetic fiber we should know. What are the uses of rayon? Rayon, first you know that when it comes silk, so it is used in making saris, right? Saris. Other than that, even for making dress materials, and now you get silk, lustrous like curtains and other materials also, table mats also, which are lustrous, looks like silk but they are not actually silk, they are rayon. So you can say clothings in common. You get silk shirts also, right? Not only saris, you get silk shirts also. So this is the first use, that is, it is used in making clothes. Okay. Generally, we can just write that rayon is used in clothings like saris, silk shirts, dress materials, etc. So rayon, when combined with other natural fibers, can be used also in making caps, curtains and other clothings. Rayon can also be mixed with wool to produce carpets or to prepare carpets. Rayon is also used in medical field to make something called as gauze and lint. Gauze is nothing but bandage. Gauze is nothing but bandage, and lint is nothing but gauze and L-I-N-T, lint. Lint is nothing but dressing material. Lint is nothing but dressing material. So when you get a wound, a cloth is used to dress. After cleaning, a cloth is used to dress your wound, and that is called as lint. So now we know that in medical field also we find the use of rayon in preparing bandages, that is gauze, and lint, that is dressing material. Other than this, rayon is also used in making, I just write it here, okay, so that everything comes. So other than this, the fourth application is, you won't believe, it is used in the preparation of tire, the rubber tires, along with other chemicals of course, but rayon is a material used in making tires also. So these are some of the uses of rayon. So now in this session we have learned about the first semi-synthetic fiber rather, that is rayon, and its uses. Thank you. In the next session we are going to learn about nylon, that is the next synthetic fiber. Thank you.